In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ActiveCampaign automations in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through building a simple but powerful automation from scratch, so you can see exactly how the pieces fit together and then adapt it to your own needs. First, let's create the automation itself. In your ActiveCampaign account, go to the Automation section. There, click on Create an Automation. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over every step instead of starting from a pre-built template. Once you've selected that, click Continue to open up the blank automation canvas. Next, we need to tell ActiveCampaign when this automation should begin. At the top, click Add a Start Trigger. You'll see a list of different trigger types. A common one is Subscribes to a List, which means the automation will start whenever someone joins a specific list. Choose the trigger type that matches your use case, then select the specific list, tag, or form that should activate the workflow. When you're happy with that, click Add Start. You'll now see your trigger at the top of the automation. From there, let's add our first email. Click the plus icon under the trigger. In the menu that appears, go to Sending Options, then choose Send an Email. Select Create a New Email. Give it a clear internal name so you can recognize it later, and then design the email as you normally would. Once you're done, click Save and Exit to return to the automation builder. Now, most automations need timing control, so we'll add a delay. Click the plus icon again, choose Conditions and Workflow, then select Wait. Pick Wait for a specified period of time, and set how long you want contacts to wait before the next step, like a few hours or a couple of days. Click Save to confirm. To make your automation smarter, add some logic. Click the plus icon, go back to Conditions and Workflow, and choose If Else. Here, you can define a condition such as has clicked a link in your previous email. This will split your contacts into different paths based on their behavior, letting you send more relevant follow-ups. When you've set the condition, click OK. You can also update contact data inside the automation. Click the plus icon again, choose Contacts, then select Add Tag or Subscribe to List. Pick the tag or list you want to apply, then click Save. This helps you keep your audience organized as they move through your workflow. Finally, when everything looks good, name your automation at the top left so it's easy to recognize later. Then, in the top right, toggle the status to active. Once it's active, anyone who meets your start trigger conditions will automatically enter and move through the automation you just built.